welcome to the channel. So this is my first ever video about furniture. This piece, when I first picked it up, it had a lot of structural and aesthetic things that need to be fixed with it. But I was excited to get it because I got it for steel. I thought it was just going to be like a display cabinet, but it turned out to be a cool secretary desk. So I knew that this piece was going to be special. This piece took probably 2 whole days to really do. However, it sat in my garage for like 2 whole months just because I had to find the time to kind of really do it. But I'm really happy at how it turned out. So if you guys want to see how I got this from drab to fab, I know cliche, please continue to watch. And if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. Thank you guys so much. Bye. Alright, so let's get into it. Here I am, just taking out the glass that came with the cabinet. As you can tell, the piece had some humidity damage. The veneer just came right off. The parts where I had to chisel it off, I got some minor cosmetic bumps. I was able to fill those bumps with just some simple putty. I'll have everything I use in the description box below. So on the parts where I had to replace and redo the shape of the corners, I just used a Bondo. Bondo is like the best kept secret ever. You just mix it up, the filler and the red hardener. But I will say the more hardener you put on, the faster it sets. Unfortunately, I had to learn that step the hard way, as you can see here. So it definitely set up before I was able to even get it all on it, so I had to redo another one. Anyways, afterwards, with every piece, just to make sure we sand everything down after everything dries. So after we have sanded and wiped everything down, we're going to start priming. I'm using the Zinsser water-based primer. I wanted to show you this awesome paint container. It's handheld, super comfortable, and it even comes with a magnetic paintbrush holder. So of course, after the first primer, we're going to go ahead and sand everything down to be smooth. Then I came in right afterwards and ended up using this Rust-Oleum white chalk paint just to kind of for the base of it before we put on our milk paint, which is going to go right on top. Prep work is always the worst, but at the same time we want to make sure everything goes on smoothly, since of course this whole piece wasn't all wood. This is how the chalk paint looks on, and this is only one layer, the power of prep work. I just mixed the milk paint according to directions. This is Oh Olive by Sweet Pickins. This is the first layer of it on. And here's the second layer. Smooth as butter. I've had people ask me what's on the side of my hip. No, it's not a taser, but it's actually a Thermacell. Thermacell is a mosquito repellent. It definitely comes in handy when I'm working outside in this crazy weather. I just don't feel like I should be on the menu. With that being said, here's the final piece. Thank y'all for coming along for the ride. If y'all like to see more videos, hit that subscribe button, and see y'all later. Thank y'all.